Hey everyone, Eric here from Lapix. Got another video for you guys today. Hope you guys are all doing well. We got this MacBook over here. It's not doing so well itself. This is a 16-inch M1 Pro, MacBook Pro, M Pro, 1 Pro. Well, it's the M1 Pro MacBook Pro. It's a 16-inch, very high-end model. Very, very nice one. And we're gonna be looking at it today because there is no power and there is no MagSafe light coming on. So we need to see what's going on. Let's see what the customer's seeing. So we're gonna go plug this in. And yeah, no MagSafe light. So let's go ahead and open up, take a look at it, and see what's going on inside. It looks pretty clean inside. No obvious liquid spill, no obvious liquid damage, but we know something's damaged, maybe on a microscopic level. Let's go ahead and remove the board and take a look at it. Lift it up, and oh man, we can see here the little white, and on this side, we got a little bit of corrosion. So that's from liquid damage. Pull out the board and we see the corrosion that's in this area. This area is your power management unit area. We've shown a lot of videos on it before because it's really easy for liquid damage to get in, because when you have a liquid spill, it'll come in the cracks of the bottom cover and it'll go towards the top here because there's little holes, right? And little cracks, there's an antenna. It's easy for liquid to get in, as well as maybe touching even the LCD connections on here. So we see that area that does get impacted a lot, and it's a very important area. So let's go ahead under the microscope, let's take a look at it further. So we're gonna look and see, and man, we can see the whole line right here has been impacted. There's a bunch of caps everywhere. Pretty straightforward, pretty obvious. So let's go ahead and clean this up. And we see a few that look pretty impacted there. They're pretty charred up. They're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in between here actually looks very good. The pads also look to be very good as well, which is nice. So we just need to replace a few of them. Definitely this one, because this one looks like it's completely blown. And you can notice that this side is darker than the other side. And what that usually means when you see this is not only is it just impacted there, this is probably the line that goes. So this is the actual line itself there. And the other side is probably just a ground. So we have our board view, so let's take a look closer. And we do see here's our line of caps here, right? And they all go along the same line. And not only that, the side that's been dark is the actual line itself. Because if we look here, they all connect this way. You can see it's all green, and they all even connect to the ones around here. There's so many different ones in this area that do a very similar thing. The other side's gray, and that usually means that it's ground. So you usually don't see an impact whenever there is any type of liquid spill or any type of burn. Usually the burn is going to be on the line side, which is your voltage line. So, and that's the case for this one. And we can see it connects to that PMU, the whole entire area there, on both sides. So we fixed up the board. Let's go ahead and check our voltages. We were getting 5 volts before, so we're looking for our 20. So we plug it in. And we're getting our 20 volts. Oops, it's a little blurry. Yeah, we're getting our 20 volts, so it looks good. So we put it back. Let's go ahead and, I just put enough for I didn't cover it or anything. So let's go ahead and just plug it in. Should get it to power on. Let's see. And 20 volts, and you got your power on. And we're at an OS login screen. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this repair on the M1 Pro 16-inch MacBook Pro. If you guys are interested in sending in your MacBook for repair, we are located right outside Washington, D.C. in Northern Virginia. We take in MacBooks for liquid spill, MacBooks for not charging, just pretty much MacBooks for repair, as well as for data recovery services. If you guys are interested in sending in your MacBook, check out the links in the description down below for contact information on our website for how you can send in your device. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Take care, guys. Bye.